Hey guys, I'm here doing another review. I got a little tactical folder. Got a cool little like snake skin print on it. Super lightweight. It's made by RNS. This is your lock right here. It is actually super sharp. See if I can find a spot I haven't cut yet. Let's see if I can find another piece of paper. Everything's a little damp out here. It's raining. I can say it is pretty sharp. So definitely nice for what it out of the package and the size of it. It's definitely better quality than I thought it was going to be. It holds an edge pretty decent. But I'll put a link to where you can find this on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It was like 13, 14 bucks, something like that. Maybe a little bit cheaper. But for a nice little, we'll go with a throwaway almost. One that you're not really a throwaway, but a knife you're not really going to worry about, like if you destroy it, that's still going to be able to hold up. I think this would be a nice little add-on, or a good first knife for someone, because it is small. Like, I mean, it's super small, so you're not going to notice it while it's in your bag or in your pocket. That's always a perk. But that's what I got for you guys. Stay tuned. Some more videos will be coming soon. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And definitely check down below. I did receive this at a discounted price to do the review. Doesn't change anything, as you guys know. I like it. I like the design on it. The design is actually really cool. I'll put a link down to my Instagram. The picture on my Instagram does it way better justice than this does. But that's what I got for you guys.